In this video, I'm going to show you how to add material in Revit. Now to do this, you want to go to the Manage tab up top, and then from here on the left, you want to click on Materials. Now this is going to open up the Material browser, and of course here you have all your materials, and if you want to add a new one, you want to click down here to this plus button, so when you hover over it, it says Creates and Duplicates Materials. Click on that and click on Create New Material. As you can see, it's going to create a new default material, and then you want to click on it, and from here you can customize it. So I'm going to name this one Tutorial Material like this. You can of course put in all the descriptive information. You have all the product info as well as the Revit annotation information. Okay, now whenever you've done this, you can switch over to graphics, where you can then go and select your shading. You can select the surface pattern, the background, the cut pattern with foreground and background, etc. So there's a bunch of things you can do here. You can go and change them and find them, and that way you can customize your material. And then over here you have the appearance as well, and then from here, as you can see, it can be either like this, which is generic, or you can go and basically change scenes. You can change environment, render settings, etc. And then down here you can basically customize it however you want. Okay, so that's essentially how to add the material. Then click on the apply button and then okay, and that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.